Hi, I'm Megan Evans with the Alberta Invasive Species Council. I'm here to show you how easy it is to report invasive species using the EDDMapS Alberta app. EDDMapS stands for Early Detection and Distribution Mapping Systems, and it might be a bit of a mouthful, but it's a great resource that you can use to help prevent the spread of invasive species. Let's try an example. First, download the app and sign up for an account. You'll then be brought to the main menu. You can search for a species by either selecting species categories or all species. Let's say we're reporting some spotted knapweed. I'm going to select species categories. Next, I'll select terrestrial invasive plants and then use the search bar to find spotted knapweed. Once you have the species you're after, go ahead and click on it. This brings up the reporting page. It'll ask you to either upload a photo that you've already taken or take one now. Next, enter the GPS location. You can leave this as is if you're currently at the location of the infestation and you've allowed your phone to use your GPS location. Alternatively, click on the map icon, find the correct location, and enter either a point or a polygon. You're then asked to indicate the amount of time that you spent at the location. So if you're passing through, you would select 5 minutes, that's the smallest value, or indicate whatever amount of time you spent there. Next, you're asked to provide information about the size of the infestation in either acres or square meters. And then you're asked to indicate whether the species is present at low, medium, or high density. You can also enter comments or notes about what you found in the notes section at the bottom of the page. Finally, save your report. You'll be notified that it's saved and added to the queue. This brings you back to the species selection page. Click back to get to the main menu. You'll notice now that you have a report in your upload queue. At this point, if you're in cell service, you can go ahead and upload the report now or wait until you're home and connected to the internet. Click on the upload queue, select Actions, select your report, and upload. It's that easy. And what happens next is we receive your report, we verify the species, and send it off to the local authority for follow-up. All reports are entered into a provincial database, which grows each time a report is submitted. Thank you for taking the time to learn about EDDMapS Alberta. If you'd like more information about invasive species or about the EDDMapS app, visit www.abinvasives.ca.